Alright guys, now we're going to talk about how to optimize your YouTube descriptions to start getting more views on your videos. So when you're writing a description, there's a couple things you should really keep in mind. And the first is including tags within your description. Now I see a lot of people who simply just like copy their tags and put them into their description like in a list. And this is totally against YouTube's terms of service and you can get banned by doing this. I highly recommend you do not do that. But there's a different way to include tags within your description. So as you can see, our top tag right here is YouTuber Conspiracy Theories, and to include this in the description, we simply write the description and include the tags in it as we're typing it. So what we're looking to do is include as many of these tags as possible within our description. So I'm going to write an example description here. So we're going to want to use this conspiracy theory tag. So we go from a conspiracy theory regarding, and then we find one of these people like this one, Ty Lopez, to a, and then let's say we had the keyword scary in there, and then we just add to a scary conspiracy about, and then we include another name, so let's say this Tana Montague person, and then we just put a comma, and then we put, we take a look at 6 scary YouTuber conspiracy theories. And then as you can see, we included that tag right at the top, the YouTuber conspiracy theory tag, and that is how to write a good description. And you're going to want to make your description as long as possible, so keep writing things and make it as long as possible and include as many tags as possible. So that is how to optimize your YouTube descriptions.